Hello children. Today in this episode I am going to talk about magnets, types of magnets and different shapes of magnets. So let's start with how magnets were discovered. Long ago in ancient Greece there lived a shepherd named Magnes. He used to take his herd of sheep to the nearby mountains for grazing. In the evening, he used a stick to collect his cattle back home. One day, he carried an iron stick. While he was beating his stick on the ground, the stick got stuck to a stone. He tried pulling it out and had to apply force to successfully do so. He was surprised. He thought there was some evil spirit in the stick or the rock. The greyish black rock was responsible for this was later found to contain a mineral which was named magnetite after the place Magnesia, where it was found. Earlier people called it lodestone. Pieces of such rocks were found to attract each other or repel each other. This naturally occurring material started to be known as magnet. The phenomena by which magnets attract certain substances is called magnetism. Any substance which has the ability to attract certain substances like iron is called a magnet. There are some substances which get attracted by a magnet are called magnetic substances, or you can say magnetic materials. Some such substances are iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. Those substances which do not get attracted by a magnet are called non-magnetic substances like plastic, rubber, glass, paper, gold, silver. These are some of the examples of non-magnetic substances. Let us know about different types of magnets. There are two types of magnets, natural magnets and artificial magnets. Natural magnets are the naturally occurring magnets. Lodestone was the natural magnet found occurring naturally in the Earth's crust. Artificial magnets are those magnets being imparted the properties of a magnet by artificial means. Depending upon their uses, they are made into different shapes and sizes. You can see in the picture there are different shapes of magnet. These are bar magnets, U-shaped magnet, cylindrical magnet, etc. Bar magnet and horseshoe magnet are the most common shapes of the magnet. So this was all about magnet, different types of magnets and different shapes.